Good evening, everyone. This is Gambell with simpleroptions.com, and in today's free video I wanted to follow up on one of the trade ideas that I'd shared at the beginning of the week. Obviously the market has been, in kind of a tough spot. He had a sharp sell-off on both of the most recent Thursdays, and inside of that, Control 4 did take a little bit of a dive on that. What I try to think of in these situations is I'm going to be more lenient with bullish positions when they're maintaining a positive relationship to the 50, 100, and 200-day moving average. Just a very basic way of looking at a bullish trend. Now, when you saw the flush that you saw on Thursday, another thing that can be complementary to that type of analysis, or something that can help you hold on to these types of positions, is to think about the major retracement, the 618, inside any of these. So taking your major swing low, the swing high that was put in several days later, and then retracing that back down into the 618, as long as it holds that retracement, that tends to still be a good area to hold. So in my mind, I just look at this and say, yeah, who knew that this was going to be added to the S&P 600 on Tuesday, and who wanted to get in at a little bit better price? Now, of course, that's just kind of my way of thinking. I don't really have any way of proving it, but I'm glad that we were able to stick in the trade to see the move that we had today. So if you've been playing this one, there's a couple different ways that you can think about managing it. One of the most straightforward is just to sell your position at 3 different areas. One will be a test of the old highs, which we fell just shy of today, but came very close to. The next will be your 1272 and then your 1618 extension. So those are very basic ways to take the trade and then to just trail it up as you continue to push higher. One other thing that you can look at, now I know Control 4 is a little bit thin, so you may or may not love taking this type of a position here. But one other way you can look at doing this, if you just would like to go ahead and hold the stock, well then you can look at coming out here and trying to sell some of these September call options. The 25 is the first one that comes to mind, and the whole concept with this is that you sell the $25 call. If the stock rallies up through it, well then the stock will be called away and you'll basically exit the position. If it were to pull back, well then you keep the premium from the short 25. And that's a couple different ways of looking at it. So nice to be able to stick in it. We'll see if we'll be able to get up here into our targets and a couple different ways to take profits. I hope you guys find it helpful, and we'll see you at the next free video.